Are we guys? Are we being dead ass right
it's
now?
if he sees you, then he'll go and like become aggro on you.
Guys.
And what you need to do is just not run in a straight line, just break line of sight and hide.
Yes.
You.
Oh wait, you said blind guy, by the way.
Oh, I meant.
What the fuck is that noise? No, did you guys hear that?
No.
I heard the moans of the damned.
The bones of the damned.
I heard the moan, I heard the...
No!
I'm gonna make.
No! See what it was! Fuck!
Are these the moans of the damned?
I want
Yes!
him!
No,
Wait,
I want him!
3, 2.